Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Stockedge app. We'll start by exploring its intuitive interface, ensuring you can navigate with ease. Then, we'll dive into the core functionalities, showing you how to access crucial market data and analysis tools. This guide aims to empower you to leverage Stockedge for smarter investment decisions, making your financial journey more informed and efficient. The Stockedge app offers a comprehensive suite of features. You can easily access detailed stock information, including charts and financials. Use the My Watch list to monitor your favorite stocks and their performance. The app also provides over 400 stock screeners and filters, helping you discover new investment opportunities. Additionally, Edge reports offer in-depth analysis for informed decisions. Stockedge empowers you with robust analysis tools for both technical and fundamental insights. You can create custom combination scans by combining multiple criteria to pinpoint stocks that align with your strategy. The app allows you to set up real-time notifications for stock movements and important market events. Furthermore, personalize your My Stockedge dashboard for quick access to your portfolios, watch lists, and saved scans. To make informed investment decisions, Stockedge helps you combine diverse data points for comprehensive insights. You can track portfolios of over 200 key investors and engage in community discussions through the Stockedge Club. Review historical data, including up to 10 years of information, to identify trends and patterns. This comprehensive approach helps you develop a robust investment strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.